blooming hearts. You will need base coat, top coat, pink gel polish, white gel polish, dotting tool, thin liner. Start with a thin layer of gel polish. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If needed, give it an extra layer of gel polish. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put a thin layer of base coat on the nail. Do not cure. Put 2 dots of white gel polish in the uncured base coat. Draw a V shape with gel polish to make a heart. Repeat until you reach the tip of the nail. Draw your liner through the uncured hearts. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super simple Valentine's nail art. Please let me know what you think in the comments.